Hi there, this is Qubo Car Dash Camera Pro. I have been using it for more than a month. I thought it is time for a quick review with pros and cons of the device. So let's get into it. Inside the box, you get a car charger which is 5V 2.4 amps, which is made in China. It contradicts made in India tag on the box. 3.5 meter mini USB cable which looks average quality. There is a pry tool and extra double-sided sticker. Scan code is actually PDF version of user guide as you see here. Before setup, go to Google Play Store and download Qubo Pro app. This is the closer look at Qubo Dashcam. Remove the sticker on camera before using it. Mic is very next to camera. This is double-sided sticker. Charging port and micro SD card slot are on one side as you see here. Reset button to be used in case of any issues. This is loudspeaker grill, which is for voice commands from device like recording started, recording stopped kind of messages. Power button is here. Overall design looks good and plastic build quality is average for the price you are paying. I am doing setup using power bank only as it is easy process and you can do it with USB cable.
Follow the instruction from Qubo app.
Just listen to voice commands and instructions on the app. Device creates Wi-Fi hotspot. Your mobile gets connected to it.
Qubo Dashcam is ready for use now. SD card not inserted.
And setup won't take more than 10 minutes.
SD card not inserted.
Before setup, please insert any class 10 memory
not
card.
Inserted.
Here you go.
Recording started.
It does continuous recording soon after you power on. Any small shake will be considered as jolt detection by default. I am checking temperature after setup as device contains a small 240 mAh battery which is typical battery capacity in smartwatches. Temperature went as high as 40 degrees Celsius where battery is present. I have not covered detailed steps on how to install in car as it is very straight process. Plug in mini USB cable to charger and USB cable goes like this through the glove box towards windshield. Finally, sticking camera at upper side on the windshield. One observation here, wiring gets bent near connector which questions durability of USB cable. Let's look at samples taken. This is how Bangalore roads are and device keeps giving jolt detected warning tone and captures these videos as emergency. Video quality is not bad. Sides are fisheye type, so 10% on sides are not visible properly. Colors in video looks oversaturated to make it look good, but details are not that super clear, especially vehicle numbers unless you go near. After 2 hours of continuous use, under 2 pm sunlight, temperature goes as high as 50 to 55 degrees Celsius, which looks to be small concern even though device is designed for operating temperature of 65 degrees Celsius. Folder structure in memory card looks like this. Continuous recordings cannot be accessed directly unless it falls under emergency folder, which is due to jolt detection. Coming to pricing, I have bought it for Rs 3.9k on Amazon. So it is time to conclude. This Qubo Dashcam Pro is easy to install and use it. App works consistently 9 out of 10 times and simple to use as well. Video quality ranges from average to above average, which is okayish considering price point. However, Qubo could have provided cloud recording, also a better quality USB cable. First time users of car dashcam can definitely give a try, as overall setup and usage is very simple with this device. That's all I had it. Hope you have found this video informative. As lots of efforts and investment goes from my end to bring these videos, I request your support by subscribing to my channel, share it with your circles and do not forget to hit like button. This is Tech Devotee signing off. Bye for now.